At Twin Cities Orthopedics, we believe less pain is your gain. So we stay in the fight with you. This is your victory, and you've earned it.
Welcome to this Timberwolves Fast Break presented by Twin Cities Orthopedics. Marnie Gellner and Rebecca Brunson here after the Timberwolves drop a game in Memphis by 11, 114-103 the final score. And a game where we previewed the high-scoring backcourt duo for the Grizzlies, and those two turned out to be pretty good tonight.
We knew it was going to be a handful for the Wolves to figure out how they were going to guard them. They have Morant that could get downhill, and they have Desmond Bane, who was a three-point assassin. But they did a good job limiting the three ball. 2 of 7 for Bane and then 2 of 10 for Ja. But then they were able to create 24 points in the paint. They were able to get to the free throw line, 16 free throws. Ja was 2 assists away from a triple-double. So it felt good in some areas, but when it came down to it, this duo is just too strong, too aggressive, has too many ways that they're able to score for themselves and also create points for their teammates. Like I said, Ja 2 assists away from the triple-double with 8 assists. Bane had 5 assists, so those two put in some work.
52 combined points, 28 for Ja Morant, 24 for Desmond Bane. You could see the Timberwolves shot the three ball better than Memphis. Overall, though, the big difference, second chance points, the Timberwolves ultimately could not overcome the Grizz on the glass.
The story of the game was their offensive rebounding. They just crushed us on the glass. A lot of things we talked about trying to do, we did. Thought we had way more of a consistent effort than we have had, especially when the game was kind of going against us. We didn't hang our heads, and we gave ourselves another chance. But the margins for error are super slim when they have 15 offensive rebounds. I don't know how many second chance points. 32 second chance points. It's a hell of a lot. It means they basically scored on every rebound that they got.
The Timberwolves will have a 4-game road trip, 3 more after this one. It started in Memphis. It'll move on to Cleveland. That game is on Sunday, and then it's Orlando on Wednesday, and then Philadelphia to finish off the 4th city on this road trip before settling back in for another home game at Target Center. But this is the first extended road trip of the season. Wolves heading on to Cleveland on Sunday afternoon. A pregame show starts at 4:30. We hope you'll join us for that one. Thanks for watching this Timberwolves Fast Break presented by Twin Cities Orthopedics.